Omunye owesifazane obulawe ngesihluku, uSanelisiswe Mfaba, wagcina ukubonakala ngoLwesine ntambama, khathi ezolandwa yisoka lakhe kubo.
I think she took her around 8 at night. Then my mom received WhatsApp after he killed her.
Ube neminyaka engama-29 ubudala, kutholakala isidumbu sakhe silahlwe esigangeni.
Seeing that body there, I can't even sleep. It's very hard, for another woman again.
Umndeni wakhe uthi lokhu bengesikho okokuqala isoka lakhe lizama ukumbulala.
He attempted to kill her in 2017. He then did it again. He tried to poison her. Whenever we asked our sister to go out of that relationship, she would just say she has a plan. She was afraid to go out actually.
Umndeni wakhe ufuna izimpendulo.
As a family, we're just asking him to tell us the reasons. Why? Because we don't know why. We don't know. We don't have a clue at all.
Umsolwa uzobuyela enkantolo mhla zingama-29 kuNhlangulana eyofaka isicelo sebheyili.